finally, the Appeals Chamber notes that the Pretorial Chamber reached its conclusions in relation to the risks enumerated in Article 58(1)b of the statute on the basis of a comprehensive assessment of the information before it. In the present case, having rejected the 3 grounds of appeal presented by the defense in the appeal brief, the Appeals Chambers unanimously confirms the impugned decision. This brings us to the end of the summary of the Appeals Chamber's judgment. The judgment will be notified to the parties and participants after the hearing. Translations of the summary will also be available in due course. I would like to thank the court reporters, interpreters, and other registry staff for their valuable assistance today in holding this hearing. The hearing is adjourned.